Hello everyone, we hope you liked today's video about this HMC. Subscribe and leave a like if you want. This horizontal machining center is made by Doosan and equipped with a FANUC 18 IMB CNC. The machine has 4-axis. The spindle tape is ISO 50 and in premium quality. This particular model has a pallet size of 630 per 630 x 2 with a tool magazine capacity of 60. The amazing thing of this machine is that it has been fully renovated in 2015, so is as close as new as you can get. Here's our contact details. We are at your complete disposal. Thank you for watching.